Hey guys, I wanted to give you a quick update on what I've done in my entryway. I've been thinking about painting my rails for the longest, and I decided to take a leap of faith and do it. I've already taped around the bottom part of the rails. I started by taking a 220 grit piece of sandpaper and lightly sanding. Afterwards, I cleaned the wood with a microfiber towel. You could also use a tack cloth. Then I painted the base of the rail with leftover paint that I had. The paint is called Pure White by Sherwin-Williams. Next, I brushed on General Finishes Black Gel Stain. I've seen so many people use this, so I had to try it out. And it works very well. Okay, so this is how it turned out. I love black, but I didn't like the rails black because it made it the focal point in the room. And that's all I could see and not the entire room. So I decided to use some leftover paint that I had called Shadow Mountain by Bear Marquis and painted it on the rail. And I liked it so much better. I was hoping the gray would be a tad darker, but it really did the trick. It is not the focal point anymore, and I can see the entire room. So I'll sit on this for a while and see how I like it. Do you guys remember the marble wall painting that I made? So I wanted to add a gallery light on top, and this is what it looks like. I made one by taking a small rectangle wood plaque and finding the center of it. Next, I placed the mark a ½ inch from the edge of both sides. Then I drilled 2 holes. From there, I placed a 1-inch mark from each hole and drilled again. To make sure there were no rough edges, I sanded the wood down with a 220 grit piece of sandpaper. Next, I took 2 6-inch wooden dowels and wrapped them together with painter's tape. I placed the mark at 2 inches from the edge and used my miter saw to cut it. You could also use a handsaw. Next, I added wood glue in the holes and placed the dowels in it. To add a little flair, I glued on 2 wood buttons on each side. For the light, I'm going to use this wireless motion sensor LED light. I also have some under my cabinets. It comes with a magnet strip, mounting strips, LED light, and a USB cord. I absolutely love these lights because I don't have to worry about any cords showing, as well as I don't have to place any batteries in it. You simply recharge it by using the USB adapter. So I'm going to add E6000 glue on the edge of the dowels and tape the magnet strip to it. I let it dry for 24 hours and then I sprayed it with Krylon's Chrome Metallic Spray Paint. Once the paint dried, I added 2 command strips on the back and mounted it to the wall. And I attached the LED light to the magnet. That definitely did the trick. It really highlights the painting. These are the last changes that I'm going to make to the entryway. Well, at least for now. Thanks guys for watching. Be sure to come back for the entryway reveal. Have a great week.